Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another way that you can drive organic, real traffic to your affiliate link or links. And I'm talking about a newly developed site called Safelists.com. Now, this site is owned and developed by Maryane Mayers. If you don't know who she is the owner of a lot of other sites that probably you use on a daily basis, such as Top Dog Rotators, Cash at Pop, RoboCash Machine, Pangea 1, Pangea 2, etc. She has a lot of sites with a lot of users. And like I said, this is a newly developed site. It has been around for literally 10 days now, since February 11th, 2023. And as you can see, it has more than 1,200 members. So it's like 120 members sign up on this site on a daily basis. Now, before I go any further, let me state since the beginning that this site does not have an affiliate program. But the reason that I'm reviewing and promoting this site is because I just like it, okay? And it seems to do what it's supposed to do, which is drive quality traffic to your sites. And in a moment, I'm going to show you some proofs and how it worked for me. However, as you can see here, I am an upgraded member. The moment I signed up, it was an offer of $57, a lifetime a membership, upgraded membership, which I strongly recommend to everyone. Hopefully the price will still be the same, $57, one-time payment for life. But and if that is the price, if you sign up and that is the price, I strongly recommend that you upgrade. Now let's just go through all the features. And recently some new features were added. When I signed up, these banners here, your banners, was not as a feature. Also with free login ad was not as an advertising feature, but since the site is quite new, it's still developing on a daily basis, and it's also growing on a daily basis. So first of all, here you have your account details. I'm not going to go through that. And as a free member, you can send an email ad by clicking here. Now, first of all, obviously you have to earn advertising credits in order to send an email credit, right? And you can earn advertising credits by clicking on the links that come to you via email. Okay, so every day you will see tons of emails from Safelists.com. Whenever you click on a link, you will earn advertising credits, and all you have to do after you have enough credits is compose this email with the subject line, email ad body, and obviously your website URL and how many credits you want to spend for this ad. And this ad will be sent automatically to the users depending on the credits that you spend for this ad. All right, quite simple, right? So the other feature is free login ad. This is a new feature, like I said. And if you do upgrade, just like I did, then you will have to go straight to this feature here, edit blast form. Now this is quite effective. I strongly recommend it. And all you have to do is compose this first email, this first ad, which you have to do it only once and will be sent automatically every day to all the users for life. Okay? Also, you have two other ads with 25,000 credits each. Then each ad will be rotated on 21 websites, which the list is here. If you scroll the mouse, there you go. RoboCash Machine, Crazy 8 Site, Top Dogs Rotator, Profits Line, etc., etc. These are all sites owned by Maryane Mayers. And only Pangea 1 and Pangea 2 have more than 200,000 users. Alright, so think about it, how much exposure your ad will get. Okay, so this is the advantage for this site. I repeat, this site does not have an affiliate program. However, I strongly recommend you do upgrade. Okay, and also you can build an income. There is an income builder You can add your username for each site here, and whenever someone signs up on this site, then he or she can become your direct referral for these sites, and whenever they upgrade, obviously you earn a commission. But I didn't go through it. I have accounts on all of these, but I don't care about that. All I care about is the traffic, honestly. In a moment, like I said, I will show you some proofs. Also, there are some packages that you can purchase. If you don't purchase the lifetime upgrade, you can purchase these packages. All right, and these are reasonable prices. Okay, so there you go, 30,000 super link for 1997, 65,000 for 32.97 one-time payment, obviously. Okay, etc, etc. This is an ad. This is the site checker. Before you send your email, you can check the link that you want to promote, and this is a logout button. This is an easy guide here. I suggest you go through it, and these are some ads as well. So that's all for this site, guys. Okay, it's quite simple. It's growing massively on a daily basis. Now let me show you some proofs that the traffic of the site works, and I will show you proofs from the edit blast form for the first email, and I think that this will be enough. Okay, so let me just go to leadslip.com. As always, I use leadslip to track my traffic. Let me just go to page manager, and on Safelists I'm promoting this first page here. Let me go to statistics, filter by Safelists, and there you go. So I'm getting around a medium of 50 unique visitors every single day, and within 10 days I already got 2 opt-ins. Alright, and I really think that it is worth it. Only today I got 31 real visits, 27 unique, and it's still going. Okay, there you go. This proves that the site really works, and you really get organic traffic. All right, so like I said, I strongly recommend that you take a closer look to the upgrade whenever you sign up. I strongly recommend that you purchase the lifetime upgrade, because after that all you have to do is compose your email here, and then you don't have to click on any emails, you don't have to log in on a daily basis, you don't have to surf any page. After all, this site doesn't have a surfing feature. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and find it helpful, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me grow my channel. I really appreciate that. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.